In the place, in your face, it's your boy. That boy can cook. Back at you once again. And today we're going to do a quick and simple homemade tartar sauce. Tartar sauce? Just tartar sauce? Yeah. That's because I made some delicious Long John Silver copycat recipe fish. And we have to have the tartar sauce to go with it. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure I put a link in the description so you can check out that Long John Silver copycat fish recipe. Now let's get it. Yeah. All right, this is all we need for our homemade tartar sauce. And remember, the measurements will be in the description. All right, we have mayo, we have minced onions, we have lemon juice, we have sweet relish, salt, pepper, and dried parsley. Now let's just add everything together. Onions, relish, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and parsley. And we're just going to get that out the way. Let's just mix it up. Give it a mix. Just like that. Look at that. Already coming out looking delicious. And look how easy that was. Look how easy that was. Save yourself some money and you don't have to go to the store. Just very simple ingredients for some delicious homemade tartar sauce. Yeah, there it is. Just that simple. Just that simple. Now we're going to taste for lightness as always. That's it. That's all right there, y'all. Yeah, I can dig it. Yeah. There we go. And like I say, family, I am going to put a link in the description for my copycat recipe of Long John Silver fish. Please make sure you guys check that out. That boy can cook. Yeah.